why are we here? Well, I mean, why are we continuing with this charade? And I think you all know the answer to that question. Okay, let's not kid ourselves. You have, and I've seen I've seen the documents and the communication. You have a couple of gadfly residents who don't live near the property, who are not impacted the property, and who have nothing better to do than to manipulate you into abusing your authority as an elected official in seeking to interfere with my client's property rights and shut down a small business for purely political reasons. That's the only reason we're here. And I think it's very important that the record is very clear that that's my client's position, and will certainly be what we will be advocating when we go to circuit court if you ultimately make the decision and include that as part of the pending litigation to revoke the site plan. And so, and if you do choose to revoke the site plan without any authority under your ordinance or in contravention of my client's rights under the Right to Farm Act, it'll just represent another example of the abuse of power. And you can fully expect that, I fully expect that you're going to take the position and ultimately revoke the site plan. We fully expect that's going to be the case, because ultimately we understand that the merits of the dispute have nothing to do with the ultimate decision. But I do want to just reiterate as the final thing to keep in mind that if in fact you do take that approach, it will continue to constitute, from our perspective, an act of harassment in violation of my client's rights, particularly under the Right to Farm Act, and will just further enhance the township's liability and exposure for, at a minimum, the attorney fees. And if that's the direction that you take for the motivated reasons that I've articulated, shame on you. The residents of Marion Township deserve better. They deserve to have a board that's a good steward of their resources, and not to pursue frivolous litigation for the sake of advocating a political vendetta or engaging in a political hit job. So, on behalf of my client, this whole process is a charade. It's completely without merit, and there shouldn't be a revocation of the site plan. Anything else? Okay, thank you.